Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Volkswagen Tiguan generation from 2007 to 2017. But even if you have a newer one, it will work as well. We'll explain how to replace the rear window wiper, guys. Rear window wiper. If you don't do it right, you can break your wiper arm. So make sure to stand till the end. We'll explain there is one trick that you need to follow. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Now, if you need to buy wipers, like this one comes with a kit with the front ones or rear ones only, guys, I'll put a link where you can get them from for a fraction of the price. Instead of going to the dealership, you can get them for a really good price. So how do you guys do that? Okay, let's explain that thing now. Let me get a screwdriver quick, okay, to see where I left, okay, my screwdriver. Okay, I'm gonna grab one now. Okay, that's good. Okay, perfect. And now, how do you guys do that? Let's come here now. That's the rear window wiper. Now, how do you do it? You open it, right? Now, that plastic piece here, guys, okay, if you pry, you will damage that that arm. You need to come on the back side right there, get the screwdriver, and you need to push it out. Okay, watch now how it slides out. Okay, it moves. Check it out now. When it's closed like that, you cannot get the wiper out. But when you slide it to the front, it opens and the wiper comes out. It may be stuck if you have dust and dirt stuck in it. You get the new wiper, you install it on the arm. Okay, align everything really good. Perfect. Now push it in. Okay, perfect. And we're ready to go. That's how you guys do it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.